was a customer success role, and I had the opportunity over 5.5 years to build the customer success program for Dentrix Ascend. And that gave me an incredible opportunity to get a foot in the door and get to see, frankly, almost all of the largest DSOs across the country, especially those who really had a vision for cloud-based software. And what an incredible opportunity that was. That gave me so much insight into, frankly, a lot of the name brands that we know of today. How do you centralize? How have you managed things? What does it look like in your RCM department? How are they running all their reporting? Like, how do the big ones actually run their groups successfully? But not only the largest enterprise class, I got to work with all of the groups. And so I would work with 3, 4, 5 locations up to hundreds of locations. Anyway, so after some period of time, and I loved that job, it was fantastic. However, what I kept finding is there is a gap in the marketplace. What I found is it does not matter how fantastic your software is if in fact you cannot implement it successfully. And so I left my corporate job more than 2.5 years ago at this point, and I started Optimized Dental Consulting specifically to fill that gap. So now I have a team, and what we do is we are product agnostic. We focus specifically on implementing new. So if you say, I have a group practice of 10, 15, 20, it doesn't really matter to me, and we want to move to one standard platform, we can guide that entire process, which is, as we all know, frankly, outrageously disruptive and a mountain of work and all of that. And not everyone has someone that they could say, okay, here's your work, and this is what you're going to do exclusively for some period of time, meaning 4 to 6 months. The other thing that we do is we help optimize what you have already. I say a lot, I don't care what software you work with. So even though I started with Dentrix Ascend because I got to work with Shine, I have a ton of clients right now that are working with Denticon. We've implemented an oral surgery group on Sensei Cloud. We've done additions for how do we roll out text to pay or online booking. So I truly do not care what the software or what the system is, but we also provide sort of that best practice coaching, because it's not how do we set it up and click the right buttons and now it's on. It's how do you actually get successful outcomes out of the software that you're using. And so that's the work that we're doing now.